The good news about Jesus has gone to Mark chapter 10 from verse 35 to verse 52. James and John asked for something special. James and John, Zebedee two boy them, go to Jesus and say to him, say, "Teacher, we are going to ask you something and we hope say you will do what we ask you." So Jesus asked them, say, "What do you want me to do for you?" Them say, "When you come in at your bright light for rule, make one of we sit down at your right hand side and the other one on your left hand side." But Jesus tell them, say, "Uno no know what no really ask. Uno can drink when I'm about to drink or get baptized like how me go get baptized. I suffer, me go suffer, you know." Them say, "Yeah, we can do that." Then Jesus said to them, say, "For real, uno I go drink from the cup where me drink from and baptize the same way me get baptized. But for sit down on my right hand side or my left hand side, I know fi me figure way, cause them position they don't put up for the one them who forget them already." Now, when the other 10 followers them hear this, them get mad with James and John. But Jesus called them and said to them, say, "Uno know say the rule of them for the people who are not Jew, boss them up, and the one them way in a top position ever tell them what to do. But I know so it go amongst uno. Instead of that, if nobody want have top position amongst uno, them have to serve uno. And if none of uno want come first, uno must turn everybody slave. Just like how the man where God picked, then come here for nobody serve him. I come here for serve people and for give up him life so people can get free from them sin." Jesus make Bartimaeus see. Jesus and him follower them reach at Jericho. When Jesus and him follower them and one big crowd of people did a left, one blind man named Bartimaeus, Timaeus boy, did sit down at the roadside a beg. When him hear say a Jesus from Nazareth a pass, he start to bawl out, "Jesus, David boy pickney, take pity upon me." Enough people tell him to shut up his mouth and tap his eyes, but him bawl out louder and louder, "David boy pickney, take pity upon me." So Jesus tap and say, "Call him." So them call the blind man and tell him, say, "Take heart, get up, he might call you." The man fling off him jacket, jump up and go to Jesus. Jesus asks him, say, "What you want me to do for you?" The blind man answer him, say, "Teacher, I want to see." Jesus tell him, say, "Go on, cause you believe, you get better now." Same time the man hear them open up and him could have see and him follow Jesus down the road. A God Wod Dis. Thank God